Many people think that you need a lot of money to travel, and this is true, and not. In this video I will cover spending tips for travel, so stay tuned and let's get started. There is many talks how our society is built around work, earning money for living and spending those money on different things, but not so many talks how people can save and spend less. One of the goals of my journey was to show that it's really not a problem to travel for less money. That's why I counted very accurate my spending and put it on my blog for making it public so that everyone could take a look how much I really spend. While you traveling, one way to spend less is to make some kind of volunteer work, and there is many types of work you can choose between, as farming, animal care, building houses or hotel maintenance, diving assistant or many other activities you might like. The principle is simple. You spend some hour a day for helping and in return you get free living and food. Depend what was agreed with the place. For example, I'm teaching English language, though my English is terrible. But this is not a problem, because the main point is that you want to help people to improve their English and in the same time you don't need to spend money. So it's perfect combination. I use Workaway or couch surfing, but there is many other places where people are matched for different volunteer works. So how can I live for €55 a month? Last month, for example, I spent €160, from which 105 went to make a tattoo, but I didn't count it because this wasn't necessary to do. So €51 I spent only for food and €4 for public transport. Because I don't pay for the living, I don't have any other costs. Moreover, doing volunteer is a great opportunity to learn from the local about the life, food and culture, and to make new friends. Hope this guide will help you to dare to go out and travel without being worried about the money. Tell me in the comments below what you think about the travel. Is it expensive or not? Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you around.